Hi everyone, this video is about computer vision. It mainly deals with visual processing, helps the blind and low vision people by describing them, the people around them, the available text in the notice board, and the nearby objects. Now let us see about the vision models and its capabilities. The first one is image classification. It helps to classify images based on their contents. The second one is object detection. It classifies individual objects and identify their location using the bounding box. Then semantic segmentation. It identifies individual pixel images and classifies them according to the object. The next one is image analysis. It is a technique used to extract the information from the images. Then face detection, analysis and recognition. It is helpful to locate individual faces in an image. The next one is optical character recognition. It is mainly used to extract the keywords and text in the images or written documents. So we can use the Azure Vision Studio and we can test the application as well as create vision solutions. Thank you.